As any other platform, Pinterest also helps you measure the performance of your page with analytics. Once a user has logged into analytics.pinterest.com with your Pinterest login credentials, you will see a dashboard on your screen. This dashboard will talk about the different aspects about your Pinterest page, like the average impressions that appear on the page, average users that see your Pinterest profile every day, how many viewers do you get on a monthly basis, and also the average number of monthly users engaged with your page. When you scroll down, you also see the top pin impressions in the last 30 days. This basically refers to the impressions created by each pin. It also shows you the number of repins that have happened with this pin, number of clicks that this pin has received, and the likes that have come to this particular pin. There are two sections that are available in the analytics section. One is about your Pinterest profile and the other is about your audience. When you click on your Pinterest profile, you see 4 different sections that talk about impressions, repins, clicks, and the all-time data. When you click on impressions, you see how many daily average impressions has been acquired by your page and how many daily viewers on an average visit your page. It also gives you the details about the impression that your Pinterest profile creates. You can see the impressions created by the pins that you have posted in the last 30 days. And also you can see the boards that have garnered the maximum impressions with the pins on them. When you go to the repins section of your Pinterest profile, you see how many average daily repins your profile is receiving and how many people are repinning it on an average on a daily basis. You will also see information about the most repinned pins in the last 30 days. It will also show you information about the boards that have received the maximum repins in the last 30 days. The next section gives you details about the clicks that happened on the pins on your profile. Again, this particular section will give you information about the average clicks that you receive on a daily basis and about the daily visitors on an average that come to your page. This section will also give you details about the clicks that has happened on the pins on your profile and also the boards that receive the maximum clicks. The last section in the Your Pinterest Profile part talks about the overview on the actions that have happened on your profile, like the repins, the best searched pins, the most powerful pins. The most powerful pins are basically the pins that have engaged the most with the audience. Now we move on to the next section of the Analytics tab, which is about the audience. The Audience tab in Analytics gives you information in 2 sections. One in terms of the demographic details about your page audience and other in terms of the interests. The demographic details include the number of views coming from them, how many engaged users do you get, the gender, location or language your audience speaks, etc. When you go to the interest section of the audience profile, you see details about the interests of your users. You also see the boards that these users pin the most to and also the different businesses that they interact with the most on Pinterest. These insights will help you understand the psyche of your brand and can also help you plan your content accordingly.